first step on using Explain Everything is going to be swiping up on your iPad and searching for it. Here, I have a preloaded one that I already made. I can hit the home button and decide to save it or not. I don't really need to save it right now. So how I made this was by going on this, clicking a color template, and then adding a photo. I can add a photo by hitting this little box, hitting existing photo/video, and swiping until I find a photo I would like to use. I would like to use one of an otter because this will be an otter presentation. So you can use this little tool, the crop tool, and you can drag with the little circles to crop what you would like. You can change your pointer by hitting the little bullseye, just holding onto it, waiting for this to pop up, and just changing it. I'm going to use green. Doesn't really matter what you use though. And on this, you can add pointers and show if you would like to demonstrate something. So if you were to say something and then you would like to kind of just point to what you're talking about, you can use that. And then you can, if you don't really need it right now, you can hit this X, hold on to it, and hit the little X up top. You can use this for just about everything and explain everything. So if you made a mistake, you can hit this button and it will delete whatever you just did. Put you back another step. And this, you can just shorten, make it larger. And this little button up here, this is probably the most important thing in Explain Everything. This is where you can write stuff, and you can just write whatever you would like. And you can underline it, change the bold, and just do whatever you like. So, say facts about otters. You can crop it using this tool, and then you can add another page right here. And then once again, you can add whatever you would like. New video, new picture, you can start a new one. You can insert a file or sound or a browser or anything. So just existing photo/video once again. And then we're going to go ahead and choose this photo of the otter. You can crop just using this tool. Or if you don't want to do that, you can hit this and then just use this tool again. If it's facing the wrong direction, you can change it using this tool. And once again, just use the little circles to crop. Okay, now you can add more text. If you hold on to it, you can change the size and the font. Just any font will do. Okay, so we change the position of our text. And we can write whatever you like. So right now I'm just writing facts about an otter. So otters hold hands so they don't drift apart. You can move it around, get the change it, and like I said, you can change the font. You can add a border around your text bubble, or you can just leave it as it is. Move it around with your finger, or crop, and crop. Doesn't really matter about the positioning right now, but we can go back and forth between them using this, and then we can start a new recording, and then right here, you can have a recording for each part. Yeah. And by clicking on that, you can stop the recording, scroll to the end of the recording, replace the existing recording, or mix it with another recording. Right now, we're just going to stop the recording and export it. You can export just the image, your camera roll, or to your mail, iBooks, a lot of other things. You can export the movie, or you can just simply save it. And if you messed up when you're writing like I did, you can just click on this and change the name and save. Like you go back to your home and you have the artifacts and the recording on it. If you messed up with your old one, just go ahead and hit home again. You can hold on to it, wait for this little red button to appear, and just delete it. So I have other cool things that you can do on it. But for now, those are just the basics.